Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Whimsical Wednesday. Yesterday was a very busy morning for me. It was just busy because everything really had to be done in the morning. First thing I took care of was getting the flank steak into the marinade for the carne asada tacos. So built the marinade, got the steaks in the marinade, and got them in the cold box so they could marinate for several hours. Then I put together and prepared the Mexican corn coleslaw. For the same reason, because I wanted to get it in the cold box so all those flavors would marry and that the veggies, especially the cabbage, would soak up and soften a little bit. Yes, the steak cooked up beautifully. We had wonderful tacos. The coleslaw was yummy. I will share both of these recipes this morning in the group. Tonight, I'm preparing a couple different things. And one of them is kind of, which I didn't share in my list. So, tonight is pork chops in a honey mustard cream sauce. And then I'm doing cheddar au gratin potatoes. And then I am doing a carrot and pea medley. And last but not least, since I don't have a lot of luck with bread that rises, I'm going to try a flatbread today. I'm going to prepare garlic butter naan. Let's get to it. Got some hardware going, and then it's not all the hardware. That's just what I pulled out so far. Here's the wonderful pork. Kosher salt, black pepper. The pork's going to be dredged in flour, and I'm going to kick this flour up a few notches with some herbs and spices from the library. A little bit of olive oil and some butter for frying up the pork. The sauce will have honey, heavy whipping cream. I'm using Sierra Nevada Porter mustard, and there's some chives going on here. So it's simple. It's actually a very simple main dish. I'm going to be using frozen carrots, frozen peas. I have some onion and some cilantro left over from last night's dinner. And of course, I'll be using just a little bit of garlic in this medley. Like I said, cheddar au gratin. And for the big push for today, the naan. All-purpose flour, milk, plain yogurt. You can only buy plain yogurt at Bel Air in the big 32 ounce. There's just a few tablespoons of sugar, an egg. Of course, there's butter for the outside gooiness. Some sea salt. Again, I like to bake with sea salt because it's fine grain. There's some baking soda, baking powder, cilantro for the outside, and a little bit of vegetable oil. The milk will be warmed up a little bit. So, this morning, pretty simple. Not a lot to do. This afternoon, that's when the work is going to get going. But I feel pretty confident about the naan. We'll see what happens. Hey, all I can do is try. That's why we're here. To have great food. And have fun doing it. So, on this whimsical Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.